My second prayer point of my last, I suppose it says we are standing against evil acts assigned against us as gospel ministers, assigned us also maybe as individuals, also as Maswati. There are evil acts that have been assigned against us. You also can attest to some of them. Amen. Another aspect of spiritual blindness and deafness the enemy is spreading upon the people or upon even the church, so that we can just walk blindly. Whatever covering, whatever veil to make or to render the church blind messengers, let that veil, that covering, that demonic cataract, whatever demonic scales, let them be destroyed by fire. We refuse to be blind messengers. That which God has revealed upon us, it shall manifest. We're also committing our dreams, Amen. Even the grace to understand. We are also standing to come against the spirit of prayerlessness. Since we shall continue to pray whatever the odds, and our prayer altars shall continue to be ablaze with the fire of God. Amen. That the spirit is any strange fire in our prayer altars. Amen. Whatever evil agenda the enemy has made to frustrate our serving and worshiping God, let that agenda be scattered by fire. We shall shout the fire of God 3 times. We shall also pray as well, and also reject every form of limitation and obstruction to standing in our way of progress and upliftment. 1, the fire of God. 2, the fire of God. 3, the fire of God.
Ide